live in a different neighborhood, we had some shady situations, and I wanted to make sure that my family, my pets, and my home were safe when I was not around. But also, and most importantly, I didn't want to be on contract or with a service fee with a company. I came across to this SimpliSafe security system, and to this very day, after more than 2 years, I can't be more happy with this. Stay with me for some more and I'll show you why. I'm Alex from The Kid in Realty, and this is my honest and non-biased review of this great security system. This SimpliSafe 9-piece wireless home security system has an HD camera and sensors, and is an excellent investment for anyone looking to secure their home safely, quickly, and easy. It is really easy to install and use. The system comes with all the features you need to keep your property and family safe, without the complexity of traditional home security systems. One of the standout features of this product is the wireless connectivity, which allows you to easily install and customize your system without the need for wires or drilling. The HD camera and sensors work together to provide comprehensive coverage for your home. The system is easy to use and set up, with a user-friendly app that lets you monitor your home from anywhere at any time. If your alarm gets triggered, it would automatically send a notification to the closest dispatcher, and if you don't cancel it or respond, it will send help right away. Also, the HD camera detects movement and not only record video but also sends you a preview of what's happening in your property. Overall, I would really highly recommend this SimpliSafe wireless home security system with the HD camera, the sensors, to anyone that is looking for an easy to install and effective home security solution. I hope you find this review useful. Again, I'm Alex from The Kid in Realty, and I'll see you soon in my next review.